Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Christian. It's an awesome day to be a Panther.
Panthers, our girls soccer team will play Yogali today.
These games will start at 5:30 for junior varsity and 7 for varsity.
Our boys basketball team will play at Bayside today.
The games will start with freshmen playing at 5:15, junior varsity plays at 6:15, and varsity will play at 7:15.
Our girls basketball team will play a home game tonight against Satellite High School.
The games will start at 5:30 for junior varsity and 7 for varsity. Come out and cheer them on.
In Heritage Club news, make plans for Friday. First priority will be meeting during all three lunches in the auditorium lobby. There will be pizza, games, friends, and fellowship.
Also, don't forget that the Green Youth Club will meet tomorrow from 3:30 to 4:30 in room 4210 with Miss Diaz.
Also, Black Student Union Club, also known as BSU Club, will also meet tomorrow at 3:35 to 4:45 in room 6101 with Miss Sharp.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!